electromagnetic waves hay optics ma mi chi unit dang tho nia ka soi tong khan mi az chap tarang ro in pe a ma se mbc an chen ta te unit ran te nia in 3 marks apu chin sia ru in 3 marks apu ta marks an chap tar kha chom ton tin ni chu chiang reng tam thelu hrim ang electromagnetic waves kan ti chuan light waves kan ti khan en tir non in a light wave kalna direct lo ta se light wave he electric wave ani ti hena kal ta katia kal khan hemi electric wave perpendicular tho hian en tir non in chuat bang khalo ngai to taula in chuat le bang ka hei bang phei a khan mi in wall plane a khan ti phei ta se magnetic wave ve thung ro chu ti hian in chuat lama khan phei thung kan hri thiam me mo hei hi banglama kal chuan hei chuat lama kalang if this move along the wall plane of a wall and this magnetic wave will move along plane of the floor and this arrow shows the direction of movement of the waves any waves is consisting of magnetic and electromagnetic waves. Some may not. The waves which constitute electric and magnetic field, magnetic waves, are called electromagnetic waves. For example, IR ray kan ti te, visible light kan ti te, red light kan ti te ponito. They are electromagnetic waves. Gamma ray kan ti te, X-ray kan ti te. All are electromagnetic waves. That means gamma ray consists of electric field and magnetic field. These electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the propagation, the direction of propagation. Propagation means the direction in which the waves moves. Electric field, magnetic field, and these directions are always perpendicular to each other. So in this unit, many topics are omitted by the board, MBSC, so we can skip all along this one. But displacement current is very important. In capacitor, in parallel capacitor, we have parallel plate. We already studied in unit 1, and there is no any other medium between these two plates that the current can pass through. But in capacitor, the current can pass through the capacitor and can flow through the capacitor because due to displacement current. When I connect this plate with positive and this plate to the negative, from positive to negative I have this electric field carries the current. That current carried by electric field is called displacement current, and the displacement current does not need any medium to travel. Displacement current ania capacitor bi ka chuan lo chang kai riu ni lo ra tai la mi idea te kan nei chen tok mai chuan hemi zong zo omit vek ani ta omit thla vek mai an sual riu mai a chuan hei po omit thla vek ka omit thla zela chuan blind lu tuk lo nan omit ni che lo hi phi chu kan blind lu tuk lo nan han soi lok yang Maxwell's equation ita Maxwell hi physics history physics world kovel ti dang lam tu ni That equation changes all physical laws and all physics subject from basic to advanced. Hey, Gauss law for electricity, Gauss theorem kan zir tau kha. Flux equals phi by charge kanti ka. This flux is equal to this one, so the charge is charge enclosed in ENC enclosed. Oh, at epsilon naught. This is Gauss theorem. It's derived from Maxwell ideas. Chuan Maxwell equation an da lu ta ni. Chuan Gauss law for magnetism. This tells us about the impossible existence of monopole. Monopole means in magnet we always have north and south pole. Hem bar magnetitas had a north pole is one. This should be south pole. But there cannot be only south pole or north pole. This hemi equation here will define ta ne. Hey, Faraday's law. Faraday's law we have already studied in unit 4. Ganzir tota rate of change of flux is equal to EMF. Khathu khanita a chuan hei Ampere Maxwell law. Anya Ampere's law this equation will study in unit 3, and the modified form is this. That means Ampere's law is modified by Maxwell. Chuan chuan hei pi chu Ampere Maxwell law alo di pata. Maxwell law chuan for Ampere's law I have only this much, and this is current. This is Ampere law, but Maxwell modified this Ampere's law to obtain this one. Chuan tunai kan cover zong zong a control vector. Do the application ko YouTube la interesting do atam maya tuna chang video ni van khatian zong zong kan sei thilo ta. Hemi law pali here in do na thlen thaya. Long lian pui kal akal pira thil tha deu kan mu thia. Beyond visual range then ta thona te an sol ta e 5 kilometers za chuang mit pon fa ka win nge kilometers chuang mi ka mit long va mu thayang khamian mu theina chan chu hi lo ni eng ti than lon rocket and tir chho ta eng ti nge cover jan la control thi and the control thi chan chu due to these four laws. And how can we talk each other in mobile phone? It's based on these four laws. Combination of these four laws. So fridge the point TV the point mobile phone. Oh, so tunai by chang kang do BS6 den ta. Kati ho zong zong poka hebi tho hi lo nia. Do that the kan YouTube vat polo en chin taula. Interesting very nia. Maxwell chu science chuan pui takani ama hin eng kimaron thak vek mathematics sian ro pui to kania ti zong cha du tok tai la tuna chuan creation of electromagnetic waves azir to electromagnetic waves lo chin cheru o like the poimo electromagnetic waves are produced by accelerated charged particle. Accelerated charged particle. So like the chin cheru. I accelerated charge particle. Unit 1 akan kalchuan electric potential definition kaltaw dito akan. It is work done to move charged particle from one point to another without acceleration. Like the point money. Takanin electric field potential kan usir ta unit 1 akan without acceleration here kan usir ta. Ingating without acceleration kan zero kan ti chuanin the main reason is if the charged particle is accelerating, so it will produce these electromagnetic waves, but it is not covered in unit 1, so we only can focus on if the charged particle is moved with uniform velocity or without acceleration. Without acceleration with acceleration it doesn't so on. With acceleration means F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square hi. Hey, column slope kanita. Hey, dik to lo. Adik chia to eng mo jam pe la ngai lum ta ni. So without acceleration kanita. Electrostatic ani ka unit 1 akan. Static means at rest. Electron means charged particle. In a kind of meter. So in unit 1 we deal with charged particle at rest, but in this chapter we will deal with charged particle when in motion with acceleration. In unit 1 to be unit 4 and unit 5 then Maxwell equation ka equation beli kan so ito ho ka na kina engineer tor berani ta engineer po zir po ni la doctor po zir po ni la hi engineer tong thong thong masa vai vai sui man to lo ta hemi Maxwell equation hemi te ni ta e de b hemi tang hian e de b hi an perpendicular ani ti kha aron proof la ta he kami proof na zong zong chu hi kanjir thi to lo kanjir man to lo ma se hemi expression pe chu lo khavero o E electric field dina is equal to C times magnetic field. B not like o de chu zikher po ngai chong lo. That means magnitude of electric field is C times magnitude of magnetic field. Hey speed of light. Anti kani. Hey light speed kani ta. Kaka here the cha. So C equal to speed of light to E by B ti po kan theta. Hello chin chia ro ka ti na chan chu hele he chin chia ngai chan chu na kena objective vela ta ka a chuak ve thi ta ta so vai riat ver prim kha cha heta tong khan ron chuk thla zel chuan in chuk zel chuan he aron derive thla zel ta kha zong zong ka chu 3 marks chau pu a chuan a chuak dong lo wa bo ta chiang ren ta chu va ne kron sei du ta lo na chan po a hara ren sia zel nga the derive bi se ka ron kal thla zel ta he chu a to pa kan hu le tak chu he kan no hu le ta ni ki speed of light ho ni ani chun speed of light ka equal to E by B kan nei phata first case an chia soi to kan equal to hey bok ki aram chok le ta ni by mu not hey bok aron tin san chu mu not le epsilon not aron lan wa ni mu not chu permeability of free space ania hey permittivity hey permeability of free space veni so 1 by epsilon not speed of light ani chuanin kha lo hriat le tur ni hemi te hi chun hemi lo hriat pialama khan pakhat thil dan lo chin chiat te ngai chu hemi 1 by root over mu not epsilon not hi eng unit nge nei eng dimension nge ani aron ti chuan speed velocity dimension ni so chu this equals speed of light. Speed of light to meter per second and it's on this whole unit after deduction, after simplification, it will come to meter per second. This has unit of meter per second. Nakina chon he ron ziak lo anga and then hemi ringot ron da theta. What will be the unit of this around this one? That will be meter per second. In unit. In dimension, meter is length and second is time. So I have -1 here, power -1 here, so I can write like this. In dimension, this is equal to LT minus 1. In unit, this is equal to ms minus 1 meter per second. Kaka, lục chín chia là rồi. Oh, I take a point more. So the objective of how it's work thì vẽ cái này. So anh là chân old version ha, cái log nga, cái bùa khai này. The electromagnetic waves and then what are electromagnetic waves? Let me definition, let me tell you. In lâu ziek tông nia. Lâu chín chia rồi kaka. Oh, let me tell you lâu ziek nga, cái what are electromagnetic waves? Thì khai này. So mi giống giống cho cảm giác đó là có thể đâu à thuy ang rèn này ta phải cái nó này là thấu ta mình chỉ mình hay là rèn ta này so properties of electromagnetic waves akan kali to thuma properties are here at least 5 points 5 points low zero at least 5 points idu number 1 as one electromagnetic waves propagate in the form of varying electric and magnetic fields and they are perpendicular to each other they can meet down so on number 2 waves are produced by accelerated charges so on speed of electromagnetic wave is this one thum kan ha je ma kan je chang khan chuan eta eta lo toita obey principle of superposition ti khalu ta te khan in du kha panga lo thang ula no ta lo ji ru chuan in tu na chuan electromagnetic spectrum kan ti to spectrum kan ti chuan hey lo chin chi le lok la electromagnetic spectrum ma ti khanin hey te hi lo chin chi le ta ula electromagnetic spectrum what is electromagnetic spectrum question number 2 number 1 achon what are electromagnetic waves not a logic ru number 2 what is electromagnetic spectrum name the main parts of electromagnetic spectrum aron name the main parts of electromagnetic spectrum. Hard question. Then, parts of electromagnetic spectrums are number 1, gamma ray, X-ray, UV ray. UV ray means ultraviolet ray, visible light 2, VIBZ or IR, infrared rays, microwaves, and radio waves. We have 4 waves which constitute electromagnetic waves. They are called electromagnetic spectra. So this table is the most important. Apoy mo le document table ito. Lo sa to bro. Ka thei hil ti ka thei lo. So an hui min ni lại in gì đàn tôi có làm xây liền lại gì đàn tôi ra hiện these are electromagnetic spectrum number 1 là gamma ray X-ray UV ray visible light infrared microwave and radio waves so anh tại hiện properties cái tại properties ở rồi diệt đồng ta radio wave microwave sa hiện properties mi property zong zong se thiam ngai lo mi table thu hian koran soi nga in lo chin che don ya electromagnetic spectrum khan ta chuanin ta hian frequency range gamma ray frequency to 10 to the power 19 to 20 that is if gamma ray moves along this direction, and gamma ray is also wave, so it will move like this. Oh, the wave funny don't so for complete one cycle, for starting from this one, kalanga head kalanga kan one cycle tinani liền đâu dengan ziak ne. Oh, tiyan tiyan kal don't ani John starting from this one, suppose up to this one, this is one cycle. One cycle ni John. That means gamma ray complete 10 to the power 19 to 20 cycle per second. That's what mean. So a wavelength, like wavelength, minus 13 to 11. Wavelength means distance between this and this. And this is minus 19 value. Then frequency here decreasing order. So on, like wavelength here increasing order. 这就六亲切的哦，亲切差不多。趁住 in the examination you can be asked arrange this ray in increasing order of frequency or increasing order of wavelength. And then let me choose gamma, visible, and microwaves. I have 3 waves, so arrange them in increasing order of frequency or decreasing order of frequency, and same in wavelength. 这就 in 常态啊，就反正按到单插频率是大个啦，按到单插 in 贴到那看 frequency 就 in decreasing order, and wavelength is in increasing order, like increasing ali. Increasing order aja, increasing order. So 10 to the power minus 13 is less than 10 to the power minus 3. Right? Here like increase. So how produce? Means gamma ray are produced by nuclei of atoms. That is nuclear disintegration, disintegration, decay kan dito ka. Unit 8 ang 0 ka. Gamma ray are produced, X-ray niya, are produced by bombardment of high Z target by electrons. Z2 atomic mass. So excitation of electron, ultraviolet rays, excitation of electron and spark kanita, visible to excitation of atom, spark and arc flames. Light bulb tapo kanito ta. So in infrared rays, excitation of atoms and molecules. O kating teka, radio waves, oscillating circuits, microwaves, oscillating current in special vacuum tubes. O kami produce ho ka, low sa delta ula. So hemi table in here trim chuan mark ni zu asurin ha out of 3. Chuan hei polo here to. Line here to chu line next table abe thungero chuan visible light and violet, blue and green, these are mean light here to VIBGYOR ani ka here to re. Chuan in helai properties aron ziak. Properties of electromagnetic spectrum. Here, you have to know at least 5 point each. 5 point each. Gamma, X-ray, here. Properties 5 each. Uses 5 each. Properties uses. So on an order. Here how produce here box already. So anh chia cái sợi to chín chia đầu tích mà cái sợi to có speed để cái tiếng hậu giống rồi đầu chín chia bọc tàu là thì khai nên full mark in ngoài. Cái properties ta làm việc ta application uses làm việc thành what ta để cái thara bỏ thấu ta các lỗ en tàu là thì khai nên kan hiểm cái tiếng full mark là một thì out of 5 là kan 5 kan mu the du to ke mu the chuan ti khanin unit 5 chu ti kan zo der chuan a top lama khan objective tom ta objective ho te te bokha lo zir ta ula ka du rewa chuanin mi question ron chodan tor khai arrange the following electromagnetic spectrum te ron ti ta radio waves microwaves x-rays gamma rays and it's on keep the table if you know the table very well you can arrange them what is the common between different types of EM radiation so I name any 6 electromagnetic waves in increasing order of their frequencies so I name the main parts of electromagnetic spectrum. Name part of electromagnetic spectrum sa gamma ray table upon veka. What is electromagnetic spectrum? And say to. Write 4 properties of electromagnetic waves. You have to know at least 5. I have already said. So why are electromagnetic waves so called? What are electromagnetic waves? Ka soi ang apiang ka lo follow thi ram tu ta ula choni tum lai class for mi ron so hin khat lo riu me ya in thiam lo le tu nge chu ka lo wa mi te ron zol ver ina kan tom tu ka khwar tla ale ti kharin du to nga unit 5 kan zong hal ta ti kharin chadon no je